And knowledge how to flirt with women and do it successfully is a real skill, and not that many guys really know how to do it right. Quite often guys are using the same old-fashioned pickup lines that have been used by our fathers in the past century. So I understand the reason why so many guys are getting frustrated with their dating results. Nowadays, phrases like "can I buy you a drink" are no longer working with grown, beautiful and educated women. So if you really wanna know how to properly flirt with girls, or how to get to feel more comfortable approaching women, today I'm gonna come over 5 tips to improve your flirting skills that really works. But right now please check if you have already subscribed to my channel and your notifications are on to make sure you won't miss my new videos. And tip number 1. Stop using crazy fancy phrases. Honestly, all those sick and weird pickup phrases need to be removed out of your memory, because its use has already become so boring, useless and unattractive. And there are still so many guys trying to approach a girl with a "do I know you, cause you look like my next girlfriend?" I'm not a photographer, but I can't picture you and me together. Is it hot in here or is it just you? Most of these pickup phrases have become a disaster and will make every smart and educated girl lose interest in you. And she wouldn't want to keep a conversation with you going, no matter what have you prepared to say after that. Trust me, unless you are not talking to a lonely 50 years old woman whom you can drive crazy just because of the fact you are a young man trying to seduce her. Pickup lines are just useful, they are too meaningless to make a girl become interested with you. And if you are the guy using such weird and stereotyped pickup phrases on girls, then please, stop. Those lines might be a reason why you are still single and why so many girls don't like when guys are approaching to them. Be creative, be intelligent with your way of talking, and you can get a woman to enjoy your flirt. And who knows, she may decide to date with you. Second tip, be confident and stop being shy. You wouldn't need much words if you will be a guy who is bold and confident, who knows what he wants to achieve and how to get things done. And you shouldn't expect a girl to take you serious if you are not serious. The way you approach a girl really matters a lot, don't be shy. Just tell me, what could be the worst case? She won't be interested and will refuse to get a date with you. Is that the end of the world? Is that the worst thing that could happen in human's life? Is she the last girl left on the planet? The answer is no. So be confident, stop being shy and approach her. You should know your approach has a very important meaning. The way you speak to her, the way you're dressed, the way you look at her, a girl would need less than 20 seconds to evaluate everything about you. And there is no girl wants a man who can't be confident of himself in public. So it's time to level up your game and boost your self-confidence. And next time you would want to flirt with a girl, it will bring much better results. And tip number 3. Eye contact. Too little and too much, both are bad. You need to find a golden middle. Don't be like a drunk guy in the bar who just saw a girl and started staring at her like a stalker. Oh man, it's creepy. But if you don't look at her at all and then suddenly approach and start talking, this could scare her as well. So you need to feel the moment. Trying to flirt with a girl requires maintaining eye contact. This action shows your confidence. Plus your words and feelings reflect in your eyes and girls can read it. You need to show her that you are serious about things you are talking, but don't make those mad crazy looks. You still have to have fun at the same time, and your eyes is the best tool to do so. Practice to maintain a good eye contact, but try to not become a creepy. Girls can get freaked out of a stranger who keeps staring at them non-stop. Do it in moderation and you would be able to send her a message with your eyes only. And tip number 4. Don't try too hard. Yes, I understand, you are trying to convince her that you are worth her time and attention, and she will not regret if will agree to date with you. But please, don't push too hard, you don't need to lose yourself and look ridiculous doing this. Trying too hard to impress a girl, trying too hard to get her attention is a big turn off for girls, they really don't like this. All girls love when guys act naturally, when they don't pretend and keep cool, trying to get girls' attention. Do you think girls want to have a stress of having a relationship with a guy full of drama or with multiple personalities? Be yourself, honest and sincere, so girls can realize you're worth giving an opportunity. Girls want to get to know the real you, so be yourself, it's not a movie. And the last tip, number 5, check the ring finger on her left hand. It could be quite creepy or at least just awkward to realize you are trying to flirt with a married woman. Plus you could save a lot of time and get rid of painful headache that might appear in the future. We are done for today. Guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you will find it funny and useful. If you want to add something to this list, then please write me in the comments below. I'd be glad to know what you think. And as always, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.